Welcome, in front of me I have Honor 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how we can add the Google account to the Play Store. So let's open Play Store, tap right here on the right upper corner and click to add another account. After a few moments we have to recognize our fingerprint, so put it on the back cover or just input your lock screen method. And right now we have to input our account. And next we have to input our password. And after that we have to click next. Accept the stuff that pops on the screen. And as you can see right now we are logging to the Google Play Store with another account. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!